Sorry guys, I've just had a latest update for you guys that I'm recording live. Courtesy of this tower, which is...
What would this be then?
It looks like some kind of chapel, maybe, or church.
James, I'm going to try and do 5 minutes of just staring at this building.
Folly.
Not the brick wall, of course.
No, the wall goes all the way around.
Yeah, it's the wall that I saw you.
Corner of something.
This looks really interesting.
It's a real shame that it's just been left to just be become overgrown.
What is it? What was inside?
Well, I know, but it should be preserved at least.
To read up on it and see what it was.
What's that big stately home inside?
Go to church these days.
Dad,
don't
can you go that way?
I think it's like a castle or something.
Must be a leftover castle. I do hope you enjoy this video footage here.
Hey, chocolate salty balls maker.
Chocolate what?
Well, what we'll do, we'll look
Parts of
at
that, I don't know.
Yeah. James,
Hi.
I've done an extra video. I'm doing an extra video for my subscribers.
Okay.
If you guys want to see me do something crazy...
Please reach Aaron to 1,000 subscribers.
No, not 1,000. I'm all up. I need to get to 100 first.
Okay, please get Aaron to 100 subscribers, and then he'll be happy.
Yeah, if you guys want me to do another Q&A when you reach 100, hit the thumbs up on the video.
Bye. Adios.
And hit the
Get away.
notification.
Adios.
Yeah. I've been Aaron. This has been Aaron's Cooking Antics. Please subscribe for some more entertainment, comedy, gobble stuff going on my channel.
Adios.
Ow. You just hit me in the face. You just hit me in the face.
You're like, what's that cup?
Football pitch. Oh, there it is. Look. Yeah, we're there.
Wait, where's the car park?
Car park is just here.
Do we have enough for
Are we
5...
going the right way?
Nigel, do I have enough for 5
Well,
minutes
let's
left of
see.
footage? Do I
Where's the
have...
car park?
There.
How long does the walk take? Like 3
Oh,
minutes?
isn't it?
I don't know.
Oh, it'll be longer than 3 minutes.
Wait, there's the football pitch.
Yeah.
Wait, how'd you get there to play football?
There's cars parked over there. Look.
I
Yeah.
remember coming here with Nana and she said that.
We're coming to the main road at the end of it. We're going to have to like left.
Oh my gosh, this is going to be entertainment. I can't wait to see James's little flutter on my channel.
Playing football. Dad, you look.
By the way, I like forests. I like being on forests. Forest adventures.
Are you still filming?
Yeah. Yeah. Just filming an extra video. After James had said about the castle, I had to quickly film that bit. I didn't get that in my channel otherwise.
Aaron, what you just finished?
Well, James, this is called a bonus part.
Wait, what? You said
It's called a bonus part, James. When you're meant to upload only like, I've got a limit of like 5 video uploads a day or something. I think it's 5, yeah, or 6. I can't remember. You alright, Lola? Having a good sniff around, are you? We are nearly here. We're nearly at the end of the road. What is this? What's this part as well? What's this? Hey, Nigel, what's this? Hang on, hang on, guys. Just before I end this, you've got to see this as well.
Is this what you go to?
Yeah, I wouldn't go in. Maybe
You know, this is just absolutely amazing back here.
Go in, Aaron. Go inside.
Look, I might just go in here quickly. Gosh, Mum, look at this in my little.
Your little cubby hole.
Yeah, it's like my little cubby hole in here, but it's just ridiculously dark in here. It's like come on in.
No, I dread to think what goes on in there.
Oh, Lola. Well, Lola's in here. Lola's going straight out. I'm coming out as well. Yeah, so I just finished up the video by showing you all this place.
Of course Brian has to go.
Brian is so cat-handed, just like me, really.
Don't let the dog.
She's up.
Dog's come up with you.
Okay, this is all.
He's going to go, I'm the king of
Lola's so out of.
Lola, come here.
just saw it leaping up.
Lola, you go, put on the lead. Lola, this.
Oh, don't be silly.
Backwards.
No.
Dad!
Don't be silly.
Dad, don't you dare!
Right,
break
that
this
has been the
back.
end of Aaron's cooking antics. I will
You little bucket.
I will end the video here at this little castle. Hope you have enjoyed 3 parts of Aaron's cooking antic videos at this nature reserve, and I will see you guys on Friday.
There's a little seat in here, look.
Bye guys. Bye. Mahalo. Bye.
Reckon that there'd be like a lot of like witch things going on in here on Halloween.
Mum, say goodbye, Mum.
Bye bye.